We have here the shared library entrance and then the circulation counter. Here are a few reminders. Entrance of the shared library. Ano kailangan nyo i-present every time na enter ka ng ID? And then, ano kukunin? Padlock for the lockers. So, pag malalaki ang box, pwede iwan din sa shelves. Pero pag yung mali, kailangan ilagay sa locker. So, upon receive, kukunin niyo yung padlock and then kukunin niyo yung gamit niya and then kukunin niyo yung inyong ID and log out of the S or the lunch break. So, importante rin na every time na mag-library kayo, you have to log in and log at the UMS. So, yun yung nagsisilbing start namin ng mga library. So, now let's go to the chat library section services. We have the reading area and the stock area. So, chat library has a seating capacity of. So, if ever na puno na tayo sa chat library, so meron naman tayo sa Maylani. And then, pwede rin tayo sa ibang library, sa main library, tsaka sa ibang college libraries. So, for our collection, we have the reserved books. So, these are required reading materials for courses offered during the semester or summer. So, these are for reviews only and report 2 hours after it is issued. So, may mga books na require ng required readings ng mga faculty na in-place namin sa reserved books and it could only be borrowed for reviews. Or overnight starting at 4 o'clock and then we have to return at 9 o'clock the next working day. And then we also have the UPLD publications like the undergraduate theses, and dissertations, practical manuscripts, community profile study, and the supervised field experience. So for reviews na ito. So for the research books and UPLD publications, so nasa closed shelves ito. So if you are going to borrow these materials, you have to ask assistance dun sa account. Next, we have the general reference books. So general reference books are the encyclopedias, dictionaries, atlases. So for reviews lang ito. And then also with the singles collection or the periodicals for reviews lang ito. So as of now, hindi na tayo nag-a-acquire ng print na collection. So we have online collections na for the serials and periodicals. So meron na lang tayo sa category yung mga back issues. So ang back issues these are for reviews. Next, we have the computer and charging area. And then, so you are allowed to use the computers for 2 hours. Same also with charging up your gadgets, your laptops, for 2 hours lang. If ever na walang gagamit na iba, pwede ko yung extend ng gamit. And then we also have the OPAC or the online public access catalog. So we are using here BPLD yung OHA, used for searching and other records. And then we also have an available statistical computer area. So we have there the Invivo software. So sa mga nag-thesis na research, we have an available Invivo software. Next, we have the we have here the print books. So for the print books, we acquire print books through the library committee. So yung library committee yung select and lagi evaluate the books and other documents. And then we also have e-books. So ganun din. So all these resources ay nagdadaan sa library committee. Then we also have the following e-journals. So, for the nutrition, we have the ecology of food and nutrition. So, ito yung mga subscriptions natin na journals. We have the ecology of food and nutrition. So, we have here the link. We also have the Journal of Nutrition and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. So, if nandito kayo sa UP, you could access it dito sa campus. But if you're off campus, you should use your open access. Next, we have the global environmental change, the human ecology review, and the marine policy. And then we also have so yun, yung mga journals ngayon, so pwede for SDS and for DISTURB. And then we also have the monographs of the Society for Research in Child Development and the Child Development Perspectives for each events. And then we also have our very own Journal of Human Ecology. So, sino na sa inyo yung nakapag-journal? Yes. So, ayan. So, this could be accessed via this link. So, and then we also have newspapers. So, sa ngayon, wala na tayong print na newspapers. But if you like to read newspapers, local and foreign newspapers, we have this in the press reader. So pag nandito kayo ito yung link. So pag nandito kayo sa campus, ma-access nyo yan. But then if you're off campus, need nyo ng open access account. So makakapagbasa pa rin kayo ng so yun. Next we have Dean's office. So the Czech library is under the Dean's office. So ang aming pinaka-boss ay si Dean Jen. So Dean, we have Dr. Jennifer Maria Samparo and Dr. Marie Faye Nguyen, who is our associate dean. And then for the library staff, so sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa amin, so I'm Jimmy Pinsinet, head of the Czech at College Librarian. And with me are Ma'am Charito Victoria Arbada Sabas. So she is our senior office assistant. So siya yung parang pinaka-front line namin. So siya yung pagpasok na siya yung makikita niya. Siya yung makakapag-sit sa inyo when it comes to your baggages and your yung mga books and other materials borrowed. Physical copies. And then we have Ma'am Vicilia A. Pumanto. So she is our senior library assistant. Next we have the library committee. So our library committee is composed of 20 representatives from each unit or department. So our chairperson is Ma'am Arlene Talupito. Si Ma'am Arlene. Ayun si Ma'am Arlene. Next, so ako yung chairperson. And then, for the DISTURB, so DISTURB is represented by Ma'am Arlene, Ma'am Sheila Diaz. And then for DHFDS, so it is represented by Ma'am Helga Ibargara and Ma'am Nancy P. Perry. That's for DSDS, it's represented by Dr. Charisma T. Malena and Dr. Klein Espinal. Dr. Klein. And for the SC, it is represented by Althea and Sandra Wyden. So yun si Althea. So now let's go to the library. So alumni, former faculty members, and students honorably discharged from the university may use the library services for 5 days free of charge within the semester. So beyond 5 days, you will be charged 20 pesos per day. That's 450 pesos per day. So pag graduate na kayo, alam na. So you are considered alumni na, and yun nga, you will be only allowed 5 days free of charge within this semester. And then for researchers and colleagues, students from government and private institutions. So if you have friends or if you have yung mga kakilala na gusto mag library mag-research, so they are required to have a referral letter from their college, from their librarian to be valid ID. And for government institution, they have to pay researchers 20 pesos. And for private institutions, they have to pay a researchers fee of 50 pesos. So we accept non-UP users every Monday. Every Monday. Now let's go to the borrowing privileges. So for undergraduate students, for undergraduate students, you are allowed to borrow 5 books for 2 weeks plus 5 circulation books for 2 weeks plus 2 reserve books for an overnight. While for the graduate school students, they are allowed to borrow 10 circulation books for 2 weeks plus 2 reserve books for an overnight. And for faculty members, they are allowed to borrow 10 circulation books for 1 month and 2 reserve books for an overnight. For the reps, they are allowed to borrow 10 circulation books for 2 weeks plus 2 books for 2 reserve books for an overnight. And for the staff, they are allowed to borrow 5 circulation books for 2 weeks plus 2 reserve books for an overnight. And all are allowed to borrow reference books for room use only. So for part-time lecturers, scholars with university appointments, room use. Now let's go to the fines and penalties. So to avoid incurring fines, you have to return the books on time. So first, for the circulation books, failure to return the books, so you will have to pay a fine of 2 pesos per day, so excluding Sundays and holidays. For the reserve books, a fine of 5 pesos per hour or 50 pesos for each day. And if naging overdue na naman kayo, you will have incentive defense if you result for suspension of borrowing privileges in the reserve section for the rest of the semester. And for the reference books, 50 pesos will be charged if you fail to return the book. So, if ever na nawala yung mga books na ito, you will have to replace it with this book. Or pay its current replacement value plus 50% of the current cost of the. So, refusal or failure to settle library accounts. So, if ever hindi kayo nagbago, hindi kasi nag-account nyo, you shall not be allowed to register. So that is for the ID validation. And yung other services, hindi kayo allowed. And any person who under due notice shall refuse or fail without justice cause to settle library accounts for obligations shall not be permitted to use the university libraries. Kasi nga, hindi kayo validated, hindi rin kayo kapag gamit ng ibang libraries, and you shall not be issued a library clearance. So, library clearance for the, if ever in graduate kayo, or if you will LOA, or we also have the clearance application for ID replacement. So, hindi rin kayo makiklear. So, how will you access the library clearance? So for the face-to-face transaction or for the books, pieces, exhibitions, so you have to use the OPAC. So go to our online panel, the HOMA system, use the HOMA system, search for the library materials. So if you know the title, the author, or if you want to search for the subjects, so you have to go to the OBAC or the so if ever that you be the one to locate it dun sa shelves. And if ever hindi nyo malocate sa mga shelves, you can ask for assistance at the certain counter. So, after na kita na yung books na ilan ninyo, you will have to fill out the book cards with your name. So, for the online transactions, so again, you have to use the OBAC, go to the online catalog, search for the library materials, and then you may request or reserve the materials via email and wait for the email confirmation from the library. So the chat library, I have mentioned this, pero yun, let me repeat it. So it is open from Monday to Friday, 7 o'clock a.m. up to 6 o'clock p.m. So no breaks. We are closed on Saturdays. So now let's go to the library services. So this semester we have the radio services, the account authentication services, the multimedia and computer services, the information services, and the online request services. So, ang dami nating services na pwede nyo ma-avail na makakatulong sa inyong studies, sa inyong mga academic needs. So, for the first one, we have the ID validation. So, lahat ba kayo dito validated yan? So, yan. Sa mga hindi pa validated, so here the QR code. Next, we have the recommend ebook or ebook for purchase. So, aside from the faculty, students may also recommend ebook or ebook for purchase, and this will be for the approval of the library. Next, we have the signing and approval of clearance. So, for those who are in graduating, are going, who are shifting, or yan yung mga application for ID replacement. So, you may send it via the chat, email, or send it via this link or via this QR code. And then we also have the book reservation. So yun, pag wala kayo dito sa campus, you may have the book that you wanted to borrow be reserved. And then we also have the borrowing and returning of books and other libraries. So these are for the print materials. And we also have the electric power charging for laptops, netbooks, and other gadgets. So, I have mentioned na rin ito kanina, so you're allowed to to have your gadgets, your laptops part of the library for 2 hours. Okay, so for non-UP researchers, they have to pay 20 pesos per hour for charging. For the issuance of referral letters, so ito yung if ever na gusto nyong mag-research sa ibang libraries at hindi available yung mga needs nyo ng mga resources dito sa ating library. So, pwede kayong mag-research sa ibang library. So, you have to request for a referral letter sa main library. So, sila yung nag-issue ng referral letter. So, ito yun yung mga non-UP researchers. So, I will also mention this naman. And dito sa campus, we are only accepting a maximum of 5 students per school at a time. So this is an example of a referral letter. So next we have the multimedia computer services. So under the multimedia, computer services, we have the computer use, the internet, and Wi-Fi access. So we have free Wi-Fi access na available sa Czech Library. And then we also have the Koha account registration. So you should have your Koha accounts para makapaghiram ng books sa Czech Library and sa other libraries. And then we also have the Open Athens account registration. So this links and QR codes from the main library. So they will be the ones to create an account for you. So if ever na nasa Czech Library mag-process sa amin, and then we will be the one to coordinate sa main library. So for the internet and Wi-Fi access, free Wi-Fi access is available. So you have to sign in your UPLD Wi-Fi using your NID and password given by the class. So for the information services, so we have the Ask a Library. So that is via the Facebook page and via email. We also have the library or so these info skill sessions are our library orientation. And then we have the for the online request services, we have the originality and plagiarism check service. So sino na yung nakapag-avail ng service? Wala. May mga thesis na ba dito? Wala. Research. So yun, yung mga malapit niya pag nag-thesis kayo. Or pwede niyo rin naman sabihin ko yung mga researches kayo. So for you to identify if yung mga ginagawa ng research ay may diba? So, and then we also have different awareness factors. So we have our websites, our platforms, our social media accounts, and then we also have the bulletin board outside of the check. And then we have the document delivery request. So the document delivery request, so for the journals, yung mga special collection, like yung mga thesis and dissertations na shared sa inyo. So this is through the document delivery request. So this is via the email of the Czech Library. And then we have the special collection request. So ito yung mga e-thesis and dissertation. So starting 2024 and 2025, ang mga sinasabit na copies ng thesis ay mga e-copies din. So this could be shared via the special collection request, so via email and via the Google Drive. And then we have the online article. Another service for another information service is the library tour. So we are also conducting library tours for fresh meetings, for activities, for transfers, and for the info skill session like this one, identify, find, evaluate knowledge is another form of information service. So for the online resource web service, so this includes the type of article, the chapter, the journal, and book, year, place, and date of and page numbers to be requested, and other pertinent details. So we will search for the info and library databases, find the article, the book chapter, and deliver or share it to you via your email. So for the online request services, we have the full ebook from subscribe e-resources. So these are free, so no limits. So ang delivery is 1 to 3 working days. So pero if ever naman na walang ibang service na requested, pwede naman namin may send sa inyo pa. So e-copy of an article from a periodical or the physical collection. So beyond and no limit, so in 1 to 3 working days, and the e-copy of selected pages or chapters from a book in the physical collection. So it is also free and no more than 10% of the total pages per book or one chapter lang yung allowed. So 1 to 3 working days. Now let's go to the originality or some checks service listing 13. So again, 13 feedbacks needed for instructors and coach for students. So this is for plagiarism or for plagiarism prevention and originality academic writing. So we have 4 options. So yung mga kararating lang, nag-thesis na ba kayo or research from thesis? So, nakapag-avail na ng service na to, di ba? Yung yung originality and features and similarity with reporting. So, yun. So, siguro ito parang in-inquire it. Tama ko ba? Document. Ganun. So, at saka, yung similarity report and report will be required for you to attach in your thesis manuscript. Ina-attach nyo. So we have 4 options. So for the first option, you could enroll in your instructor's class. Halimbawa si Doc Len, yung prof, so pwede kayong mag-enroll sa class niya. And he will be the one to provide you your class ID and enrollment key. And then we also have the option to enrolling in the library's created class. So we also have created a class within the library, and we will be the one to give you your enrollment key. So ganito, parang before you submit sa instructor's class, you could submit to us. So para ma-check nyo mabuti yung inyong paper. And then para ma-revise nyo ba if there are, may mga makikita nga kayong And then option 3, we have the availing of the library's plagiarism and originality service. That is, pwede nyong i-submit yung paper niya via the check library. And so we will be the one to upload or to submit it sa training. And then for the generated copy, we will be the one to send you the similarity and the AI report. So for the similarity, once na-enroll kayo sa instructor's class, pwede nyo mag-ili yung similarity report. But for the AI report, only yung merong instructor's account lang yung makakita. So, yun, pwede nyo i-request yun sa option 2. Sa option 3. And then for the option 4, we have the self-checking of paper for originality, citation, and grammar check via the training draft. So, yung training, may nakagamit ng training draft coach. Meron na. So, yun, yung training draft coach, it could be found in the configured na to dun sa Microsoft Google, So, naka-configured na yan. Pwede nyo i-check dyan, i-run yung, yan, for originality, citation, and grammar check. So, yun, mas, kasi yan, ma-access nyo na yan kaagad. Pero yung siguro, for the AI report, sa option 3. Now let's go to the UP and PQ policy. So we have here the prohibited sites, sites not allowed time. And then we also have the accepted sites, sites allowed after office hours, and the black sites, which are temporary restricted screening sites during the following hours. So from 8 to 12 and 1 to 5 p.m. So ito yung mga sites. So you can access the online resources via IP access authentication. So pag nandito kayo sa campus and search remotely using Open Athens pag off campus kayo. So for the online or offline database review, so library databases collect resources from a variety of places, including academic journals, magazines, newspapers, and others. So you can search a library database to find these resources. So here at the ULB University Library, so we have licenses to some of the online databases, which gives you access to the academic and news articles, book journals, primary sources, training media, and much more. So yan yung mga makikita niyo sa Open Athens. So we have here the multi-subject subject-specific databases like the Science Direct, Taylor and Francis, Search, Ultimate, Wiley, Online, Spring, and many more. So pwede nyo i-browse yung Open Athens. Next, we have the data analytics. So we have the data analytical tools. So we have the LCDS Focus, the LCDS Bible, and the Web of Science. So this could be found in the Open Access database. And then we also have the reference management tools. We have the Mendeley and the Flow. And then also the statistical tools. So ito yung na-mention ko na rin kanina. So have an available NVIDIA software at the Czech library. And for the productivity tools, yun yung time. So for the library platform, we have the Czech library website. So in the Czech website, you will find there the Czech library website, and also you will also find there the encoded metadata of the submitted thesis manuscripts. And then we also have the Czech DG Hub. So makikita niyo rin there info about the Czech library. And then we also have the university library website, wherein we have these services, online services, local databases, online resources, electronic news and updates. And we have ICOMA. So ito yung open source integrated library system which we are using. So here are the features. You can browse the library collection, check items on loan, make materials or book reservation, recommend book titles, view transaction history, relevant to date nyo, customize your account, and send feedback. And then we also have the UPDR online resources. So this is a digital platform hosted by the university library. So you will also be able to browse here the electronic thesis citations of the Czech library and other colleges. Also the journals and peer reviewed series. And then we have the library programs and activities. So we have our first Library de Amore Libre a book tasting event. So this was conducted last February. So we have we're in we have transformed the library into like a event. So sino yung nakapag-attend ng event na to? Meron ba? Wala. So, so tayo pa lang dito sa Czech library, yung merong ganitong event. We were able to, parang nag-transform yung library into a resto, wherein the students or the participants could order kanilang foods, so could order. So they were the ones who selected the books na i-order. So yun yung babasahin nila and then yung i-review. So they have 87 book reviews. And there were three winners, so selected by the library committee. So base dun sa mga book reviews. So we have top three winners. And then we also have the Piano Heritage quiz. So we are going to have the Piano Heritage quiz this October 13. And we so last year si Briggs ang ating representative. So this October 13, we're going to have our Piano Heritage quiz, and we already have representatives from JN, hoping na you could support them. So Cindy at saka si Jan, yung ating representative. So Cindy and Jan from DSDS. And then we also have the library fair. So 6 years hindi na-attend ng library fair. So di ba ang saya ng library fair? Di ba? So yun, hoping na next time makapag-attend ka ng library fair. And then we also have these info skills sessions. So we also have the info skill session, the proper which was conducted last October 22. So this was conducted by the main library. And then we also have our info skill session. So every semester we are conducting the info skill session, LegSmart and the LegSmart class. Then we also have the National Book Week, which is conducted every November. And we also have our chat library FB page wherein feature book quotes of the week, featured featured book of the week, ebook of the week, featured journal article, and featured abstract of the week. So here is our FB page.